Xometry's played a huge role in my overall life. Uh, just the way they have come through as far as being able to have the work available in order to give you a peace of mind. Just to know that, hey, I don't have to go out and bang on doors today to find work. To know that I can provide a check, because there was a time there where I didn't know when my check was coming, or I didn't know how I was going to make. When I was doing air conditioning, it was like I didn't know how much I was going to make that week. So everything was it was always so wishy-washy. There was never any peace of mind of what I was making to provide for my family consistently. So I worked at an engineering company in California, and that's where I got all my training as far as engineering and machining goes. And then I was offered a job working for a company. I was a startup company. After about 6 months, it went belly up. I basically used up all my savings and all my resources, and it put me and my family in a very bad situation. So I had to make some drastic changes quickly. I applied for about 25, 30 jobs, couldn't get a job, so things were getting desperate. And I started getting a little worried. And my wife came to me and she's like, "You have the machine in the garage, you need to put it to work." And then that's when I started getting on the phone and calling around, trying to figure out how to actually find work. When I started with Xometry, it was supplemental income. It was just to fill in the gap. But then I noticed with Xometry, as the jobs started coming in, I really started looking at it and started taking it more seriously and saying to myself, this is an actual way to make a living. Taking on as many jobs as I could, and slowly it started to naturally and organically grow into a business. Imagine if you're at a job and all of a sudden you got a 4 times pay increase. I mean, instantaneously. So I enjoy the variety of parts that come through there. I enjoy the flexibility. So it's so nice to go to the job board in the morning, and it's kind of like having 3 different options of coffee, basically. So you can look at all these different jobs. You can see the lead times, material, what they pay. I never have to negotiate with anyone. Never have to do quoting, nothing. It's literally, you click a button. Can you do the job? Yes, click the button. So it's a weight off my shoulders. So my loyalty to Xometry is very high, and I'm very loyal to them because of the way they've treated me. When something's gone wrong, they've been there for me. If I needed a question answered, they've been there for me. If I couldn't machine a part, they've walked me through it. Honestly, this might sound a little cliche, but they've treated me like family. It's changed my life as far as the possibilities are endless with how much you can make and the potential. So it's really, you can take it as far as you want. I mean, if you want to start making 25, 30 grand a month with Xometry, you can. If you want to make $2,000, you can. So it's amazing to have that, I guess, that control at your fingertips. I think it's awesome.